another video. Okay. This video is like a continuation, sharing with you my immigration experience as a first-time traveler with a sponsor. Okay. First thing first, yung ginawa ko is like kumuha yung partner ko guys ng affidavit of support or AOS. Yeah, importante siya guys because if yung trip mo is sponsored by your relatives or anyone, need mo ng affidavit of support guys. It's like legal siya kasi, like legal paper. Okay? Like nakasaad doon na whatever happens to you sa yung trip is yung sponsored talaga yung mananagot sa iyo. And what if yung sponsor mo will fail to like gawin or gampanan yung anong nakasaad sa affidavit of support is may possibility like magkakaproblema siya legally. So it's like safe ka guys if you have the affidavit of support. So if you want to know guys how to get affidavit of support, I'll do a video about that. Okay, next video. So first, nagkuha po kami ng affidavit of support from UK because my partner is from UK. Doon siya kumuha, and sa Philippine Embassy po siya kumuha sa UK, ay sa London, because doon siya naka-reside sa UK, so doon siya kukuha sa Philippine Embassy sa London. So, ayan, pinanotaryo po niya, and then after that, after na notarize, pinadala po niya dito sa akin ang original copy. Okay, affidavit of support, dapat po original copy po siya. Not Xerox, not print. Dapat yung original copy siya po siya. Okay? So, and then yung hotel booking namin, screenshot ko po wala pa akong print, hindi pa ako nag-print ng karong ano-ano. Nag-screenshot lang po ako sa phone ko kasi para sa akin, hassle kasi siya guys, and like waste of money if ipiprint ko pa. So, wala akong print. I just nag-screenshot lang ako ng hotel booking namin. And then, yung mga itinerary namin sa Japan, nag-screenshot ako. And also, yung proof of relationship namin, kinumpile ko siya. Yung mga picture namin, messages, call log, yun, and yung mga, if you have picture with your family, you have picture with your family and with your partner, yeah, mas mabuti if you included it. Kasi guys, it's really a big help in my part kasi. So, yan, nakumpara ko na yan. Birth ko, passport ko, hotel booking namin, itinerary namin, and of course, proof of relationship namin. And of course pala, nag-screenshot din ako yung pinasa namin. Dinownload ko rin yung bank statement niya na pinasa namin na nag-apply ako ng visa. Dinownload ko rin yon for backup lang. Kasi baka hanapin. Mas mabuti na yung, prepared. Okay. Sa proof of relationship namin guys, nilagay ko yung call log namin, messages namin, and of course yung mga pictures namin, like mga pictures na pinuntahan namin dito sa Cebu, yung pictures with my family, yeah. And also guys, so ayan, kinumpile ko na. And pagkatapos, doon ako sa immigration guys. So, first question niya guys is, if first time ko bang mag-travel? Sabi ko, oo. So, sabi niya, tanong niya if saan ba punta ko? Sabi ko, Osaka, Japan. And anong gagawin ko doon? Sabi ko naman, tourist and mag-celebrate 1 year anniversary. So, tanong niya sa akin if magta-travel ba, if kasama ko ba yung boyfriend ko or travel ba ako alone. Ang sabi ko naman guys is, hindi ko kasama yung boyfriend ko dito because he is flying from UK kasi taga-UK siya, yun ang sabi ko. Magkikita lang kami doon sa Japan at nandun na siya sa Japan ngayon. Yan ang sabi ko. So, tanong niya, nanghingi siya ng documents about sa amin. So, binigay ko if yung hotel booking namin, mga pictures namin, yeah, proof of relationship namin, yan yung binigay ko. Yung pinakita ko lang yung sa cellphone ko na screenshot. So, tanong naman niya sa akin, anong work ko? Sabi ko, I'm unemployed po ako, unemployed. Sabi niya, if nagpapadala ba yun ng pera yung partner ko? Sabi ko, hindi masyado, if may occasion lang. Sabi niya, if ano daw bang pera na ginastos ko sa travel na ito. So, sabi ko naman sa kanya na sponsored lang yung travel ko sa kanya. So, binigay ko yung affidavit of support. Binigay ko yon. Then, nagtingin-tingin pa siya sa mga pictures ko, and sa pictures namin, at then nagtanong siya if gano'n na kami katagal. Sabi ko, mag-celebrate lang po kami, 1 year po. That's why mag-celebrate po kami ng anniversary namin sa Japan. Sabi niya, okay. And then, nagtanong pa siya if, like, mga lugar na pinuntahan namin dito sa Cebu nung nag-visit siya. Sabi ko, nandyan na sa mga pictures, nakita naman. So, tanong din niya if kailan first time ba namin magkita. Sabi ko, hindi. Third time na namin po. Pangatlo na namin po this time papunta Japan. So, yeah, nag-scroll siya sa phone ko. And then, nakita niya yung picture namin with my family. Once nakita niya yun, guys, nag-thumbs up siya sa akin and sabi niya, okay. So, ayun. Tatak ako, guys. Japan ako, guys. So, yeah. So, that's yun yung sinabi ko. If you have picture with your family, relatives, with your partner, like kayo, I think it's really a big help also if ilagay niyo yun sa proof of relationship niyo. And of course, you have to be honest, guys, you know, kasi maramdaman naman yan ng immigration officer if you're really honest. They just want to make sure if safe kang makakapunta doon and genuine ba yung purpose mo and with your relationship with your partner. They just want to make sure, guys. So, I think she felt naman nga it's really genuine yung purpose ko doon sa Japan. It's really pure tourist. So, that's why there's no more like, wala na masyadong tanong, guys, since nung nakita niya yung picture namin with my family. So, my best advice is to be honest. Just to be honest and like be calm, be honest. Kasi once you are honest, hindi ka naman masyadong makakabahan because you know naman sa sarili mo na you have nothing to hide. So, yeah, unless, you know, kakabahan ka if you have something to hide, like, you know. So, yeah, as a first-time traveler, I'm sponsored pa yun, trip ko. Smooth lang yung experience ko sa immigration. And binalik pa niya yung AOS ko, guys, yung original copy, binalik niya sa akin kasi I've watched some video na yung mga AOS nila, yung mga affidavit of support nila, hindi na binalik. So, maybe I was lucky that day, or it just really meant for me that day, or maybe, yeah, kasi binalik yung AOS ko. And of course, smooth lang yung experience ko, guys. So, yeah. Yan lang yung experience ko, guys. Like, I think it's just mga 3 minutes lang yung experience ko or more than that. Kasi grabe, smooth lang siya. Hindi nga ako masyadong kinabahan. But of course, kinabahan konti because, you know, hindi natin alam kung ano mga nasa isip nila. But, yeah, I just keep myself honest talaga. So, ayun guys, that's ano lang ma-share ko sa inyo. And if you're interested, like if you wanna know how we get AOS sa London, I will be sharing with you in the next video. So, yeah, that's it guys. And thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from me. And if you are the one, like if you're someone also have plan on flying or on trip to Japan, good luck and yeah. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.